if for some reason it's giving you an error, if you're downloading it as a zip file, then what you need to do is uninstall the app, go to replit.com on your Chrome web browser on mobile, and then sign up to your account where you have got the app, open it. It's very similar to how it feels like on the mobile app. So you just need to go to that app and then click on this on the top left. Then it's going to show up this thing. Click on this folder icon. Then on the bottom, scroll to the right, and then you can click on download as zip. It's now going to download it from the web to your mobile. Now make sure that you have uninstalled the app from your mobile before you try to download as zip from your Chrome web browser, because if you have not done that step, then when you click here, it's just going to take you over to the app, and then it's going to give you an error again. Also, instead of installing the app from Play Store, what you could do is on the top right here, click on these three dots, and then click on Add to Home Screen, which is going to give you this pop-up, and then you can install this as a progressive web app to your mobile. Just click here, and then click on Install, and then it's going to install Replit. And there you go, the progressive web app from the browser is now installed, and I can click on it and it's going to show up like this. And there you go. Then inside here, if you want to do the same thing, download the zip file, just go over here on your recent web app. Then on the top left, click on this icon, just go over to this folder next to search. And again, just scroll to the right and download as zip. That's it. Now you can download it again if you want. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you're going to find more Replit AI related tutorials. So see you there, and bye for now.